Hello guys, welcome back to Pepcoding. In this video, we will do the question remove first and LinkedList. So input and output is already managed for you. You just have to complete the body of the function remove first, and you have to make sure that you take care of two things. That if you have only one node in your list, then what will you have to do is you have to decrease the size. That means your size will become 0, and you will make your head and tail, both head as well as tail, none. And if you have 0 nodes in your list, if you have no elements, if there are no elements, what you would do is you will just print list is empty. So try it out yourself, and then you will discuss the solution of this video. Okay, so I hope you tried it yourself. Now let's discuss the solution. So for example, we have a linked list in our stack at 4K address with head 5K, tail 9K, and size 5. Okay, so let me make a linked list with 5K, 6K, 7K, 8K, and 9K. So this 5K node contains the data 10, and also its next part contains the address of next part, that is 6K, right? So this contains 20 as well as 7K. This contains 30 as well as 8K. This contains 40 as well as 9K. And this contains 50 along with none, because it's pointing towards none, right? So what we have to do is, it is a very simple question. You just have to remove first node. That means you just have to remove this node. Right, you just have to remove this part, and your linked list should start from this. And this is exactly what we will do. How we will do this is, this is our head, right? Our head is 5K, and what we will do is we'll make our head equals to head dot next, because in the next part of head it contains the address of the second node. So if we make our head 6K instead of 5K, if we make our head 6K, what will happen? This will become our head, right? And our linked list will start from here, because head is 6K and tail is 9K. So it will start from here and end will here and at here, right? So our linked list will become this long, and we have to decrease the size as well, because we are removing the first element. So our size decreases by 1. So this is only this part we have to do. Let's try to code this. So we just have to write the body of remove first function, right? Okay, so we'll write the code. First of all, we'll check whether our self.size is 0. So sorry, self.size is 0. If it is, what we'll do is we'll just print list is empty, right? And we'll just return. If our size is not 0, then what we have to do, we have to make our head, self.head is equals to self.head.next, and we have to reduce our size by 1. We'll just decrease our size by 1. That's it. Let's try to run this code. And it is accepted. Answer is correct. We will submit this and see whether it works for all the test cases or not. Yes, it works for all the test cases. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next question. Thank you for watching.